All right. This is just some bonus factoring practice um, that we did today. So just wanted to do this with you just to get another go at factoring, which is it's kind of the opposite of simplifying. So simplifying is like undoing groups and putting like terms together. Factoring is putting expressions into groups, so it's the opposite. But it's always good to see to practice factoring because it is a little bit more skill that's a little bit more involved, a little bit more difficult. So let's just try out a couple of these so we can kind of review how to factor. First thing is you write out the terms, circle the variables because we can't break the variables down. First thing we do, the next thing we do is break the numbers down and circle what we can't break down. And again, circling is really important because we need to see what's left over, because whatever is left over is going to be what's going to go in the parentheses. So right now we're finding the GCF. I'm going to break 18 down into, 6 times 3. Circle the 3. 6 would be 3 times 2. Circle. All right, let's see what they have in common. They have a 3 in common. That's a 3. And they have another 3 in common. That's 3 times 3, which is 9. Okay. So that's how many groups we have. That's the GCF. That's not the answer. That's just going to help us find the answer. That's going to tell us we have 9 groups. 9 groups. Let's see what goes in each group. Well, let's look over here. We have 3 X's in each group because it's like 27X divided by 9 would be 3 X's in each group. Plus 18Y, you got 2Y in each group. 9 times 2Y would be 18Y. So you can kind of do like distributive property here to check it. 9 times 3X is 27X. 9 times 2Y, 18Y. All right, feeling good about that. If you want to try this one on your own, go for it. If not, you can do it with me. If you want to do it ahead of me, like if you want to start it and kind of get ahead of me, that's fine too. First thing I'm going to do is write down the terms, 12X and 8Y. Circle the variables because we can't break them down. Next, we're going to break down the numbers because we can break them down. 12 would be what? 6 times 2. Circle the 2, we can't break it down. 6 would be 3 times 2. Can't break them down. Circle them both. All right, that one wasn't too bad. 8. Let's do 8. 4 times 2. Circle 2. 4 would be 2 times 2. Circle both 2's. All right. What do they have in common? They have a 2. That's not all. They have, I'm going to write that 2 up here. They have another 2. Believe it or not, 2 times 2 of that would be 4. So that's the number of groups. That's the GCF. There are 4 groups. Let's see what's in each group. You got 12X put into 4 groups. 3 X's, that's what's left over. 3X per group. Plus, you got 8Y divided into 4 groups. 2Y in each group. Okay. So 4 groups of 3X plus 2Y. All right, so it's just a little bonus factoring practice. Helps to review factoring every so often. All right, have a great day. See ya.